Let's double check the ICP local zones for zone 26. I mean the beginning. So first of all, guys, a yearly open still relevant, and the main targets, personal for me, still relevant. I don't think so the ICP will go to zero, but of course we get all chances. Like for any other tokens, we get all chances going to zero. We've been delisting from the exchanges. It's possible. It's possible. And anyway, I think the main target, what I shared before, it's still relevant. Now we gonna focus only on these blocks. So it's a range, not like a range even, the structure from the 1557, drop, bounce, drop, and what I don't like, we didn't close the 0.5 level by FIB of this week. So for me, it's kind of bad because we drop October 10, bounce, and not close even the, I guess, 38 level by FIB, skyrocket to the yearly open of zone 25. Now, VRVP level, so the crucial level by volume, I don't know why it's always changed, but it's around here. So it's around $5. $5 also is like a psychological target, and it can be the main resistance. You know, for now, locally, the main resistance is $3.06. I guess we will pass this level easily, but keep in mind the 0.5 level by week, it's around $2.10, still in play. I don't know what should happen with ICP in the market in total. Maybe if the BTC will drop from current prices to 85K, yes, ICP, I guess, will follow and drop lower. So yearly open is like a magnet, a 990. So between 2 and 9, we can trade a long time period, and it's going to be the most boring period if we just talk in this range, personally for me. So locally opens, of course, just a previous week. This one, it's 3-4, monthly open, yearly open. So imagine about the technology, you know, about the fundamental. So what's the point of ICP technology if the token perform like minus 250% down? Yes, because the people who buy an yearly open in zone 25 on the 1st January, zone 25, they down now like 250%. So they need to recover 250% just only to the break even. So what's the point of the fundamental? What's the point of what did ICP deliver during this zone 25? So basically nothing, right? All right. So like any token is just a pure speculation, guys. This is the main key point what I would like to share with you. Base it on the EMA. So step by step, believe it or not, but we're gonna test all of these EMAs. So first one is $20.49, $5.34. After that, 100 EMA is gonna be $7.44, and we should pass the yearly open and the test 1285. But to talk about a structure, at least we need to break this high like 1561 and the 2092 if we want to see the higher price targets. Technically, if we hide the EMAs and close the this one opens, we can determine the downtrend line, just a hypothetical downtrend line. And if we count like this one, we basically break, but with a fake out. What if the trend line is something like this one? And the better way is use the line chart. So the line chart is something like this one. So the worst case, of course, if we trade a long-term period in this triangle and crash it down to zero and being delisted. Of course, I don't think so it will happen. On the monthly time frame, by the way, kind of strange week, right? So by monthly, the 20 EMA now is 610, and 50 EMA it's 1260. All other EMAs still not visible on the chart. So this like 1263, it's more than real to see in the near future, I guess, like a test, you know. So let's close on this one. Let's go back to the daily time frame. And definitely, guys, definitely weird price action. Absolutely weird. I totally agree with you. ADZ direction. Technically, it's accumulation. So I think, yes, I think ICP will recover like any other altcoin just because of speculation. So you can invert scale and take a look. So basically we sweep that liquidity pool, and now the road should be dropped to this at like support trend line and going down, down, down to the next liquidity pools. So this is my take, but of course it's possible to see even something like this one go to zero. So based on ADZ on a daily, it's accumulation. Based on direction, it's accumulation. 2 days in a row, we saw the accumulation. So technically it's good. It's good. 12 time frame. Here was a total area. Based on ADZ, we need to out of ICP. Now we crash it down, and kind of fun, right? Because now it was the $9.90. Now it's $3, and we almost touched the top. That's why, guys, be careful. But I'm more bullish on ICP just because of price action. Just because of price action, not because of fundamental or something. Highly recommend you, by the way, use the dashboard. Dashboard, it's just a brand new indicator, what I just recently added to my list, and you can track all in one place, right? So you can adjust the time frame, this one, for any indicator, adjust the visual, and track it. Market mode. Total disbelief, capitulation. Daily, it's capitulation, disbelief. Weekly, capitulation. Monthly, capitulation. So guys, for now, of course, it's more reasons to speculate in the buy ICP, but with potential drop to 260. So if you build a plan, for example, you buy now, and after that, if the price drops to this level, you buy it again. So your average entry will be like 250, for example. And at $5, you withdraw initial deposit, and with the free tokens, without zero risk, you ride to the moon, right, to the next targets. Based on the market's mode indicator, money power indicator, guys, no money inflow yet on a daily 12 time frame, no money inflow, but on a weekly, 2 weeks in a row, somebody accumulated ICP. Technically, it's good. It's good. And the last two indicators, what I would like to show you, it's a trade on weekly. Trade on weekly, no take profit. This is what I don't like. So the sell signal was in April. Now nothing. Daily sell, take profit, buy, take profit from buy, sell, and the buybacks. Let's add alert to the take profit from the sell. I hope we will see that signal. On the 12 time frame, also we didn't see yet. And the last one is take profit, guys. So daily, we retest the buy line December 19. Almost retested in December 31. So the buy line test, now it's $2.63. Fundamental value of the ICP is $1.95. At $1.95, maybe I will buy ICP for speculation. Now I'm not touching this token because I already explained it in my position, right? Already done. For spot, and maybe I will speculate with the futures. 12 time frame, this is what I don't like. So the buy line on 12 time frame is 231. For the amount value 176. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to $1.76. Take profit line 460. Exit line 523. Daily 522. Exit line 585. A weekly time frame, we underrated. So definitely. You remember this line chart, downtrend line, and it's around the yearly open. So we got like the reasons for the upside move. So it's a test of the yearly open, it's a test of the downtrend line on the line chart, and it's a take profit 946. So I think it's more than enough reason, and we so underrated under fundamental value on the weekly. Fundamental value of the ICP now is 358. So guys, all targets I showed you. If you like to trade with my custom side and add alert like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.